guys. Cake time in the city. Blueberry. Strawberry. Yan ang mga cake ngayon. Today's episode, guys. Which one? Do you want? Just choose and get it according to your will. Picturean ko, videohan ko na lang guys para sigurado. Kunwari matikpan nyo. Masarap daw ang cake nila dito guys. Kailan hindi tayo bibili, kaya kuhanan lang natin. Oo nga, masarap din ang bayad guys. Oh, Mont Blanc chestnut cake. Hindi masyadong makita guys. Ito naman, parang ang gusto nilang strawberry dito guys ah. Majority ay strawberry. May mga na-slice naman na. $38 per slices. Ito naman, 48. Wow. So, here in bread show. Show me your bread. Ganyan. 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 Pero masarap yata yung ano guys, blueberry. Itong nasa baba, yung nasa taas, blueberry. Strawberry naman itong nasa baba. Grabe guys ha. Ang delicious. So ayan, sabi nila maganda daw. Grabe, parang marshmallow yung panda nila guys. Nice day, sabi nila. Yan yata yung highlight. Basta, kuha na lang natin. May macarons din sila guys. So ito naman, may disenyo din. Ito ang disenyo ng bread show. If you notice it, most of their cakes got a lot of strawberry fruits. So meaning, they love strawberries. Wow. Ang cute naman. Kaya lang, pag iuwi mo yan, baka yan yung mag-melt na guys. Kasi mukhang malambot. Ito naman. Okay, and the cakes. Thank you. Bye.